Good morning, guys. Rise and shine. It's not that early. It's like 9 o'clock. Wednesday, February 12th. Got the kids off to school. And we are going to put in some work before the rain comes. Got rain coming in this evening, and it's going to stick around for a couple days. So, anyways, update. Kind of see we've got most of the drivetrain in. And I've been working on sanding down the interior, and got to spray a coat of epoxy along everything that we did here. Just kind of freshen it up, seal it up. While we're here, might as well do the dash, and might as well do all the door jambs. Moving back here, the package tray and the trunk, the wheel tubs. We'll get all of that, getting it sanded down. Probably do a little like a metal glaze type product over these welds. I gotta say, I don't want to sound like I'm tooting my own horn. This is not perfect by any means, and I'm sure, professional body guy sees this and look at me like a hack, but I'm pretty damn proud of this. I mean, that's all butt welded seams. They're still all a little proud. I could definitely come in here with a little bit more time with a angle grinder and a file and DA and really clean this up. But like I said, I think I'm gonna hit a little bit of metal glaze on it just to smooth it out, and we're gonna end up doing splatter paint in here anyways. So it's all solid metal now. And it's the first time I've done this, so I'm pretty proud. Don't be afraid to get out there. Be ambitious. So yeah, still stripping jams and getting ready for paint. This is what I've been doing for about 2 weeks on and off. After work, I got an hour that I can put in. I put an hour in, and at the end of the week, those hours or half hours or whatever you're able to put in, it adds up. You make progress. So yeah, we're working towards getting the whole inside and all the jams epoxied. Then that brings us to the dash, and I've been discussing with myself and browsing a lot. We got to pick a color. So we got options. So the dash, it can either go satin black. The interior is black, so that kind of works. But then, like the tops of the doors, and it all lines up. Those are also painted and don't get covered. So I have a decision. Do I do those satin black, or the bigger question is, do we do them body color? I think body color does look nice. There would be some contrast with the dash pad, which is going to be black. So, but that's the big question. Probably one of the hardest questions of the project. What color is it going to be? I've got no clue. You can see little bits of the white that poking through. I actually sanded this down. That's actually the original paint. Burned through a little bit in that spot, but it's got surface rust pretty bad everywhere. But the whole body is still painted with the original paint, so I could put some 400 on here and strip it down to white, but the doors don't match and one of the fenders doesn't match. So I don't know what we're gonna do. If you look around, the fleet has a little bit of a theme. I want to, but I don't know. We'll see. Lost to decide. And I'm just rambling. So you guys have a good one. Get out there and get to work. It all adds up. Even 10 minutes. You put in 10 minutes in the garage every day after work. At the end of the week, that's almost an hour worth of progress. And hours add up. So get to work. Have a good day, guys.